ready to transform your chaotic spreadsheets into a streamlined WhatsApp marketing powerhouse. First, make sure your Google Sheet is organized with columns for name, phone number with country code, and the personalized message you wish to send. Now, head over to Pabbly Connect and create a new workflow. Give it a descriptive name like Google Sheets to WhatsApp via Wati. Set Google Sheets as your trigger app and choose New Spreadsheet Row as the trigger. This tells Pabbly Connect to watch for new data added to your sheet. Next, select Wati as your action app and choose Send Template Message if you haven't already. Connect your Wati account to Pabbly Connect. Now, the magic happens. Map the data from your Google Sheet columns to the corresponding fields in Wati. Connect the phone number column to the Wati phone number field, and the message column to the message body or appropriate template variable field. Send a test message to ensure everything's working correctly. If it goes through, congratulations. Activate your workflow. And now, every new row added to your Google Sheet will automatically trigger a personalized WhatsApp message, boosting your marketing and customer engagement.